Pakistan, Mr. Azhar Shah, Director of Trade and Education at the Australian High Commission, distinguished guests and members of this chamber, good afternoon. On behalf of the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry, I extend a very warm welcome to Your Excellency for your visit to Sialkot, the export capital of Pakistan and a city renowned worldwide for its entrepreneurial spirit, industrial excellence, and contribution to Pakistan's export economy. We hope that your visit to Sialkot will provide an opportunity to witness the remarkable capabilities of our entrepreneurial community and the private sector that is well equipped to build up and a shared passion for cricket. Over the years, our bilateral engagement has expanded beyond traditional diplomatic relations into meaningful cooperation in trade, investment, agriculture, education, mining, climate resilience, and regional stability. We are particularly encouraged by the positive momentum witnessed in recent years as per the data made available by the Department enhancing economic cooperation, particularly in sectors such as agribusiness, textiles, education, mining, and investment. Recent discussions between the leadership of both countries have reaffirmed the shared commitment to expanding trade and investment flows and unlocking new avenues of collaboration. For Sialkot's business community, Australia represents an important and promising market. Sialkot's globally recognized product lines, including sports goods, surgical instruments, leather products, gloves, apparel, and engineering products, possess vast potential to strengthen their footprint in Australia. We believe there remains considerable untapped potential for enhancing bilateral trade and encouraging direct business-to-business partnerships. Bilateral economic relations will continue to grow and new opportunities for trade in industry and the Australian High Commission. Through targeted business matchmaking, exchange of trade delegations, regulatory cooperation, skills development. Your Excellency, it is our earnest hope that your visit to Sialkot and exposure to its industrial excellence and entrepreneurial potential will serve as a catalyst for further easing visa processes for business purposes. We believe that such facilitation would not only promote bilateral trade and investment but also deepen commercial cooperation and strengthen the long-standing people-to-people bonds between our two countries. Our exporters possess a deep understanding of international standards and compliance. 63 billion from Sialkot. From precision surgical instruments used in operating rooms around the world to high-quality sports goods, including footballs used in FIFA World Cup and other global events. Specialized apparel catering to diverse global demands. Beyond industrial achievements, the business community of Sialkot has demonstrated an exceptional commitment to corporate social responsibility. Landmark initiatives such as the Sialkot International Airport, Sialkot Dry Port Trust, Sialkot Export Processing Zone, Sialkot Tannery Zone. To provide you with a comprehensive overview of Sialkot's industrial strength and the remarkable contributions of its business community to social development and human welfare, a documentary presentation will follow this address. I may close up my remarks by thanking His Excellency, Mr. Excellency Timothy Kane, for visiting the Sialkot Chamber. I look forward to a long and prosperous partnership between Pakistan and Australia. Thank you very much.